Look up, what do you see? For many of us, the answer is a sky awash in artificial light. The stars, once brilliant guides for explorers and dreamers, are fading from view. We live under a dome of light pollution, a constant reminder of our modern world. But in this glow, we lose something profound, our connection to the cosmos. We have become a species that forgets to look up. Our cities blaze with light, obscuring the subtle tapestry of the night sky. The Milky Way, our galactic home, is invisible to billions. We live in a world where children grow up never having seen the universe in its full glory. This is a loss not just for science, but for the human spirit. The night sky has inspired awe and wonder since the dawn of humanity. It is a source of endless curiosity, driving us to explore, to question, to understand. When we lose sight of the stars, we lose sight of our place in the universe. We risk forgetting the vastness that surrounds us, the mysteries that beckon us to explore. We must remember we are part of this universe. We are, in Carl Sagan's words, star stuff. To forget the night sky is to forget who we are. Los Angeles, 1994. A city known for its bright lights experienced an unexpected darkness. A major power outage plunged the metropolis into an unfamiliar blackout. Amidst the disruption, something extraordinary happened. People looked up, and for the first time in years, they saw the Milky Way. Calls flooded emergency lines, not with reports of trouble, but with questions. What is that in the sky? People asked. They were seeing the universe as their ancestors had, in all its raw, unfiltered splendor. The blackout, a moment of fear and uncertainty, became a revelation. It reminded us of the beauty hidden by our own creations. The Los Angeles blackout serves as a powerful reminder. It shows us how disconnected we have become from the natural world, even the one right above our heads. We often go about our lives, heads down, focused on the immediate, yet the universe above continues its silent, majestic dance. Imagine a child seeing the Milky Way for the first time, the sense of wonder, the spark of curiosity, the questions that follow. This is the experience we risk stealing from future generations. The experience of looking up and seeing infinity reflected back. The stars are still there, waiting to be rediscovered. We need only to turn off our lights and look up. The problem of light pollution is not confined to Los Angeles or a few major cities. It's a global issue. Over 80% of the world's population lives under light-polluted skies. In the United States and Europe, that number climbs to a staggering 99%. We have, in essence, shrouded our planet in a luminous haze. This artificial glow has far-reaching consequences. It disrupts ecosystems, confuses wildlife, and obscures our view of the universe. It's the equivalent of filling our atmosphere with noise pollution so loud that we can no longer hear the natural world around us. Consider the difference between a natural night sky and one dominated by light pollution. In a truly dark sky, the Milky Way is a shimmering river of stars, stretching from horizon to horizon. Thousands of individual stars are visible to the naked eye, a breathtaking tapestry of cosmic light. Now imagine that same sky washed out by light pollution. The Milky Way disappears, leaving only a handful of the brightest stars visible. The subtle beauty of the cosmos is lost, replaced by a dull orange glow. This is the reality for billions of people around the world. We have, in a few short generations, transformed the night sky from a source of wonder into a reminder of our own impact on the planet. This is not a legacy we should accept. Section 4. Measuring the night, the Bortle scale, and our vanishing stars. To understand the severity of light pollution, astronomers use a tool called the Bortle scale. This scale helps quantify the impact of artificial light on our night skies. This 9-level scale measures the brightness of the night sky, from Class 1, which is pristine, dark skies, to Class 9, inner city sky. Each level provides a clear indication of how much light pollution affects our view of the cosmos. Each class represents a significant decrease in the visibility of celestial objects. As we move up the scale, the number of visible stars diminishes dramatically. In a Bortle Class 1 sky, the Milky Way casts shadows, and the Andromeda Galaxy is visible to the naked eye. This level of darkness allows us to see the universe in its full glory. This is the sky our ancestors knew, a sky teeming with celestial wonders. They navigated by the stars and wove stories about the constellations. Sadly, such skies are becoming increasingly rare. The encroachment of artificial light is steadily erasing these natural wonders. As we move up the Bortle scale, the effects of light pollution become more pronounced. The once vibrant night sky starts to lose its luster. The Milky Way fades, stars disappear, and the sky takes on a dull, orange hue. This transformation is a stark reminder of the impact of human activity. In a Bortle Class 9 sky, only the brightest stars and planets are visible, and the sky is dominated by the artificial glow of the city. The natural beauty of the night is almost completely obscured. The Bortle scale is more than just a measurement tool for astronomers. It serves as a crucial indicator of the health of our night skies. It's a stark reminder of what we stand to lose. The more light pollution we create, the more we lose our connection to the universe. As light pollution increases, so too does our disconnection from the cosmos. The night sky, once a source of inspiration and wonder, becomes a mere shadow of its former self. The night sky, once a source of inspiration and wonder, becomes just another casualty of human progress. We must consider the long-term effects of our actions. We must ask ourselves, what level of darkness will future generations inherit? Will they be able to experience the night sky as we once did? Will they know the awe of standing under a truly dark sky filled with the light of a million stars? Or will this experience become a distant memory? Or will they inherit a legacy of light pollution, a sky stripped of its wonder? The choice is ours to make, and the time to act is now. Section 5, a sanctuary for darkness. The Aoraki Mackenzie Dark Sky Reserve. In the heart of New Zealand's South Island lies a place where the night sky still shines in all its glory, untouched by the encroaching lights of modern civilization. The Aoraki Mackenzie International Dark Sky Reserve is one of the largest in the world, a sanctuary for darkness in an increasingly light-polluted world. It spans over 4,300 square kilometers, offering a refuge for those seeking the beauty of an unspoiled night sky. Here, the Milky Way arches overhead like a celestial rainbow, its countless stars visible in breathtaking detail. The clarity of the night sky here is unparalleled, making it a prime location for astronomers and stargazers alike. The reserve is a testament to the power of collaboration and community effort. Local communities, businesses, and the government have worked together tirelessly to minimize light pollution and preserve the pristine night sky. Their efforts have created a model for other regions to follow. Streetlights are designed to direct light downwards, and residents are encouraged to use low-impact lighting. This careful planning ensures that the night sky remains undisturbed. The result is a haven for stargazers and a model for other communities around the world. Visitors from all over come to experience the magic of the night sky here. The Aoraki Mackenzie Dark Sky Reserve proves that we don't have to choose between progress and preserving the natural world. We can have both, living in harmony with our environment. Imagine visiting a place like this, where the stars are so bright they seem within reach. Standing under a sky teeming with stars, feeling the vastness of the universe wash over you, is an experience like no other. This is the experience we must fight to protect, not just in remote reserves, but in our own backyards. Everyone deserves to see the night sky in its full glory. The Aoraki Mackenzie Dark Sky Reserve offers a vision of a future where dark skies are not a rarity, but the norm. It shows us what is possible when we prioritize the preservation of our natural world. It's a future where we coexist with nature, not at its expense. A future where our advancements do not come at the cost of the environment. It's a future where the stars continue to inspire wonder and awe for generations to come, reminding us of our place in the universe and the beauty of the world we live in. Section 6. The blinding of science, light pollution's threat to astronomy. Light pollution isn't just an aesthetic problem, it's a significant issue that affects more than just our view of the night sky. It poses a serious threat to scientific research, particularly in the field of astronomy. Astronomers rely on dark skies to observe distant objects in the universe, from stars to galaxies. Light pollution, like a cosmic fog, obscures their view, making it increasingly difficult to study the cosmos and gather accurate data. Imagine trying to observe a faint galaxy billions of light years away, a task already challenging under perfect conditions. Now imagine that your view is obscured by a bright light shining in your face, making it nearly impossible to see. This is the challenge astronomers face every night because of light pollution, which disrupts their observations. The impact on astronomy is profound and far-reaching. Light pollution limits the sensitivity of telescopes, forcing astronomers to build observatories in increasingly remote and isolated locations. It also makes it more difficult to study faint objects such as distant galaxies and exoplanets, which are crucial for understanding the universe. The search for life beyond Earth, one of the most profound scientific endeavors of our time, is directly impacted by light pollution, hindering progress. Exoplanets, planets orbiting other stars, are incredibly faint and difficult to detect even under ideal conditions. Light pollution makes this already challenging task even harder, adding another layer of difficulty. Light pollution is in essence blinding science and hindering our quest for knowledge. It limits our ability to study the universe and understand our place within it, a loss that would be immeasurable. If we continue down this path, we risk losing access to the cosmos altogether, a future where the stars are hidden from us. We must remember, science thrives on exploration and discovery, and dark skies are essential for this pursuit. By protecting dark skies, we protect the future of astronomy and our ability to unravel the mysteries of the universe, ensuring that the stars remain within our